Fourth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yash,
Good
are you
morning, ma'am.
okay? Yash, good morning. I was little doubtful whether to take or not. Fine. Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Daksh.
Good morning, ma'am.
History or geography?
Beta, we will do geography because geography with both the classes I have completed, right?
Yes, ma'am. Our agriculture chapter is gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, our agriculture chapter is gone.
Agriculture chapter is?
Not completed.
You are not clear, Gargi.
Ma'am, our agriculture chapter is not completed, please.
No, yesterday we did that reading part, no?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we were doing in the PPT.
हाँ वो बेटा वही चीज आपका बुक में भी है, पीपीटी में बस बहुत प्रिसाइज करके बता दिया गया है। बुक में भी हमें ऐसे ही, हमें बुक से तो हम डिटेल में आप रीडिंग कर लीजिएगा एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड. ओके
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
राइट गार्गी?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send that video on the group?
Yes, I will share it. Don't worry. I'll share it.
Ma'am, what did we do today?
We'll do question answers for geography.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, extract based questions.
ज्योग्राफी में हाँ जी बेटा, हम पहले तो आप सबसे पहले तो हम मैप करेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
I will tell you what exactly you need to do in the map. बस एक मिनट, एक हमने नोट्स वो करे थे तो देखते हैं where it is. चलिए, I hope you all have the geography books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody with two
Yes,
names?
ma'am.
Let me know. Anybody with two names over here? Please let me know.
Nobody.
Ma'am, no one.
Tell me, have I shared the resources chapter, notes of resources chapter with you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No?
Shared. Ma'am, you
Yes,
shared.
ma'am.
Shared, you have already shared.
Shared. You have
Ma'am, but
shared.
not in B.
I've shared.
बेटा हर
Ma'am, you
हर
not
तीनों
shared
section
in B.
में share करा था बेटा, तीनों सेक्शन में शेयर करा था. प्लीज
No,
चेक
ma'am.
बेटा, कैसी बात कर रहे हो? तीनों सेक्शंस में एक
No,
साथ.
ma'am. It was
Ma'am,
not there in 10th B.
You have shared twice.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा ऑफ कोर्स
Ma'am, it was shared twice.
हाँ वही तो.
Shared.
Ma'am, in our group
All the
is what
sections,
shared
it was
toys,
shared.
so might be.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो कोई नहीं.
Ma'am, can you please send it again?
Who is asking for it again?
Ma'am, group.
ठीक है, I'll share it again, no problems.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, chapter 1 is all clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do worksheet for chapter agriculture chapter.
Ma'am, we have not done the exercises questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, we have not done. Let us do that first. चलिए, so do I need to share? ये आकांक्षा, अनन्या, खुशबू, ठीक है, आ गए. Taking them in and sharing the screen with you people. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, ठीक है. So I'll share for agriculture. I have to share.
Ma'am, I remember that we have already completed the question answers because I have also done in my notebook.
No, ma'am, this is not done.
Huh?
Ma'am,
No,
for the
ma'am,
first
we have
chapter
not
we have
done.
not done. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
for
we
the
have
first chapter we have done it.
For agriculture, we have done or not?
Ma'am, no,
No,
ma'am. No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chapter
No,
1 we
ma'am.
have, chapter 1 we have completed only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about B section?
Ma'am, done with the chapter.
Question
Ma'am, done
answers.
with the chapter
Question
agriculture.
answers also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, so this is an advantage to you people. Fine. See, these are the questions. Take 5 minutes to find the answers. Be ready with the answers. And between these 5 minutes, I am taking your attendance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
We have one more class 10C today. No, we have. Acha, I have with B section. Okay, I have with B section, not with C. चलिए भाई.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Just a second. Abhay is present in the class. Today is 29th.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
29 May.
95.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhay is there in the class. Aiza,
Present, ma'am.
Akansha Saxena, Ananya Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Ananya is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Apurva,
Present, ma'am.
Aradhya Katyayan, Ashray, Daksh Kumar,
Present,
Gargi,
ma'am.
Gargi,
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Tomar, Himanshu. Harsh Tomar is not there. Himanshu is not there. Jay Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa,
Present, ma'am.
Tujhar. Today he is not there. Okay, Kanika. Do we have Kanika in the class? Today many are not there. Huh? Manish Singh. Manish is also not there. Manthan. Is Manthan there in the class? Mohit Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay,
Present, ma'am.
fine. Then Mohit Kumar, not there. Naina Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Naman, not there. Pavni. Pranjal.
Ma'am.
Puneet.
Ma'am, Pranjal present.
Okay, Pranjal is present. Puneet Gangwar, sorry.
Ma'am.
Puneet Kumar.
Present.
Pavni is present. I have marked.
Ma'am, Puneet present.
Okay, Raghav Raj. Samarth is not there. Shivanshi is not there. Shaurya Shukla, not there. Siddhant Yadav, not there. Srishti Gautam, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Stuti, Tina, Ujjwal, Viresh, Vibhanshu,
Present,
ma'am.
Yash Mehta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. 10th B. Anya Gupta. Anya is not there. Abhinav Pandey. Do we have Abhinav? No. Do we have Agrim? No. Do we have Akansha Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Aksada?
Present, ma'am.
Anamta?
Present, ma'am.
Anand? Then Ayush Singh, Bhumika Patel, Deep Shikha, Dhananjay,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Dhruv Sharma,
present, ma'am.
हर्षित कुमार सिंह नहीं है, कपिल पटेल नहीं है, काव्या अग्रवाल नहीं है, खुशबू सिंह,
Present, ma'am.
यस, कुणाल सिंह, महक यादव, फैज, मलय इज नॉट वेल, ओके, देन हसीन, शोएब, निखिल नेहरा,
Present, ma'am.
ओके, ओम शर्मा, अच्छा ओम हैज टेकन टीसी, प्रियांशु इज नॉट देयर, रमशा,
Present, ma'am.
Sanya. Sanya, is she attending other classes, Sanya?
No, ma'am. She's not.
What about Priyanshu?
Ma'am, he's also not attending.
Okay. Ramsha is there in the class. Shreya Gangwan.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Priyanshu is out of station. He's in Lucknow.
तो बेटा लखनऊ में तो क्या वो जूम मीटिंग और ज्वाइन करने से मना करते हैं क्या? बताओ.
No, ma'am, there is no Wi-Fi there, no, that's why.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बेटा. I see him putting attendance in the other classes.
Ma'am, only attendance.
No, he attends also. Science
Yes,
classes
ma'am.
he is not missing. Maths he is not missing. No problems. When it comes on giving marks, then we will have problem in giving marks. Let them not attend. Vishesh Agarwal. Is Vishesh? Okay, Vivan not there. Yadbendra not there. Fine. Done?
Ma'am, Sohali present.
Yes, ma'am.
Marked you present. I saw you.
Ma'am, Viresh present.
Yes, Videsh, your attendance was with 10th C, no? I have already marked you present. Okay. Let us discuss. Fine. Gargi, first answer.
Plantation agriculture option.
Yes. Plantation agriculture is describes as a system of agriculture where a single crop is grown on a large area. Second, Yash. Which one?
Gram.
It is the gram. B, option B is the correct answer. Gram is a rabi crop. Okay. Dhruv, which one of the following is a leguminous crop?
Ma'am, pulses.
Option A.
Yes, ma'am, because some pulses are only leguminous crop.
Okay. Next is, name one important beverage crop and specify the geographical conditions required for its growth. Pavni, yes?
Ma'am, you
No,
left one question.
Which one I
There's
left?
also a fourth
There's
question.
one more MCQ.
Which one is that? It is not showing in this.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have it in our book.
What is it? Please tell.
Ma'am,
Which one of the following is
And which one of the following is announced by the government in support of a crop?
एक मिनट रुको, देखने दो.
Ma'am, in new books, ma'am, only there are 3 questions.
हाँ, वही तो चक्कर है बेटा. ये जो है आपका अभी फ्रेश एडिशन वाली बुक है ये, तो इसमें केवल ये 3 ही दिए गए हैं. नेवर माइंड, जिनकी बुक्स में है उनके लिए हम कर लेते हैं.
Ma'am, maximum support price.
Minimum.
It is minimum
support price.
बेटा,
Minimum support price.
ऑप्शन बी है मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस. क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
चलो.
Ma'am,
यस यश.
ma'am, in question number 3, there should be multiple markings, pulses and millets.
हाँ, both are there. Actually, this is, you are right. But then when it comes on leguminous crops, pulses are more of leguminous, not millets.
Ma'am, because more the pulses is a group
Multiple
of.
choice questions.
हाँ,
Ma'am, the question is multiple choice question. So we can mark both.
that is there, but then you need to stick to the more closer option. Except for, see, arhar dal, rest all of the pulses that we have, they are leguminous crops. Millets are just 3, jowar, bajra, ragi.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll go with pulses. We'll not go with millets. Okay.
Ma'am, even in the book, they have specially mentioned pulses for leguminous crops.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go with pulses. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Fine. Exercise 2, first part. Pavni, one important beverage crop and specify the geographical conditions required for its growth.
Okay, ma'am. One important beverage crop is tea, and the geographical conditions required for its growth are that tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate all throughout the year. Second, frequent showers evenly distributed over the year ensure continuous growth of tender leaves.
Okay, and you have missed out on one point, that tea plants they grow in tropical and subtropical climates with deep, fertile and well-drained soil. And the other is the soil should be rich in humus and organic.
Climate is warm.
See, wherever you have the tea, this thing, paragraph given for tea, all these conditions are given over there only.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm on page 40.
Okay. I believe here. Right? See the tea plant, the fifth line, the tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. The tea bushes require warm and moist-free climate all through the year, frequent showers evenly distributed over the year. It is a labor-intensive industry. That's it. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
आइए मोहित. Mohit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए. Name one staple crop of India and the regions where
Ma'am,
it is.
Ma'am, it's rice and it is grown in plains of north and northeast India,
Okay.
coastal regions, and also, ma'am,
Deltic regions.
Deltic regions.
Ma'am, Deltic.
Can we name wheat?
Yes, no, wheat is not. You can.
Second most important.
It is the second this thing staple crop.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना, आप अगर चाहो तो दे सकते हो, बट आपको स्पेसिफाई करने पड़ेगा. इट इज द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेपल क्रॉप. अगर आप राइस लिखो वो ज्यादा बेटर है ना.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए, you can regions you have specified, you can specify the states also where it is grown. Mohit? Mohit? चलिए, जिज्ञासा. Next answer.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, the various institutional reform programs introduced by the government in the interest of farmers are Kisan Credit Card, Personal Accident Insurance Scheme, or some other schemes introduced by the Government of India for the benefit of the farmers. Moreover, special weather bulletins and agricultural programs for farmers were introduced on the radio and television. The government also announces minimum support price, remunerative and procurement prices for important crops to check the exploitation of farmers by speculators and middlemen.
हाँ, अब इसमें एक पॉइंट आप ये और कंसिडर करो. दिस इज ऑन पेज नंबर 44. Left hand side for a second paragraph, sorry, third paragraph. आपका ये है when we talk of the institutional reforms हम बता रहे हैं ना, तो institutional reforms में आप बताइए कि establishment of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, agricultural universities, veterinary services, animal breeding centers, horticulture development, research and development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast were given priority for improving Indian agriculture. ये एक पॉइंट आप कंसिडर कर लीजिए. ठीक है,
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. देन दूसरा पॉइंट आपने. यस बेटा.
Ma'am, like it is about
Banks also.
Gargi, speak little louder beta.
Ma'am, I am saying that can we write about the Grameen banks also, which are given on page 43?
Yes, of course you can. See, it is given over here, no? Kisan Credit Card, Personal Accident Insurance scheme are some other schemes introduced by the Government of India for the benefit of farmers. Special weather bulletins and agricultural programs for farmers were introduced on the radio and television. The government also announces minimum support price, remunerative and procurement prices for important crops to check the exploitation of farmers by speculators and middlemen. और यहीं पे आपका ग्रामीण बैंक्स के बारे में भी दिया हुआ है ना.
crop insurance is also done.
हाँ, ये आपका यहाँ पे है ग्रामीण बैंक्स के बारे में. Yes, है. कहाँ गया एग्रीकल्चरल बैंक्स वगैरह?
Above the paragraph of Kisan Credit Card.
आई थिंक हाँ हो सकता है. देखो, हाँ
Yes, ma'am. The paragraph above Kisan Credit Card.
है. टेक्नोलॉजिकल इंस्टीट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म्स में है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am. Ma'am, you just have to scroll a little bit
On
more.
page 43 only.
Page 43.
Yes, ma'am.
Where it is?
The fourth line after the fourth Kisan Credit Card.
Ma'am, here it says Grameen
facility.
Bank
ठीक है.
Societies.
Got it. Establishment of Grameen banks, cooperative societies and banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest were some important steps in this direction, है ना? This one,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So your answer
Ma'am,
is
we'll start from this point, no provision for crop insurance against drought flood.
for this point you will start from here. Establishment of Grameen banks. Cooperate. You can write.
You don't have to add that crop insurance point.
You can add.
Ma'am, it's just the line above.
Provision for crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire, disease, establishment of Grameen banks, cooperative societies, banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest were some important steps in this direction. After you specify, when you are writing about those institutes, no, universities and all, second point you can write this, and the third point you can take for the Kisan credit card, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall done. Next, can we have Yash answering this question? Srishti Gautam is not there in the class today.
Ma'am, I'm there.
You are there? Okay, Srishti will answer this question. The land under cultivation has got reduced day by day. Can you imagine its consequences?
Ma'am, may I try?
Okay, try.
Ma'am, may I?
If the following consequences, if land under cultivation get reduced, then the consequences will be there will be food
scarcity. Food scarcity will be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And the production of food grain will also go very low. And agro-based industry will suffer due to shortage of raw material.
Very good. Very good. What else?
And ma'am, if land under cultivation gets reduced, many farmers will leave the farming practices and the production will also get low.
Okay.
Thus, it will lead to like unemployment in the cities for the people who left the jobs like farming.
Fine. What else?
May I tell?
Yes, try.
Ma'am, rise in prices.
Ma'am, rise in price
Rise in the
food
price of
grains.
food grains.
Economic condition will also be disbalanced.
Ma'am, since India has most of its population practicing agriculture, ma'am, there will be a huge loss.
About 75%.
Okay. So, who will compile all these points into?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Naina, try.
The following consequences will be done when the land under cultivation has got reduced day by day. First, shortage of food. Second, unemployment due to the unemployment due to no production. Third, rise in prices. Fourth, agro-based industries will suffer.
What else?
Ma'am, these points were told.
Okay. Fine. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Chaliye. Let us have Jay answering the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Suggest an initiative taken by government to ensure the increase in agriculture production.
हाँ जी, सृष्टि आप भी इस आंसर का क्वेश्चन का आंसर ढूंढिए और जय भी ढूंढ रहे हैं, दोनों लोगों में से वन बाय वन यू बोथ विल टेल.
Okay, ma'am.
May I tell?
धनंजय?
Ma'am, Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, जय स्टार्ट बेटा, स्टार्ट.
To ensure increase in agriculture production, the government has prioritized collectivization, cooperation, and abolition of zamindari system. Land reforms was the main focus of first 5-year plans. Agricultural reforms like Green Revolution and White Revolution were aimed at improving Indian agricultural productivity. Various technical institutional reforms were also introduced by government for benefit of farmers. For example, minimum support policy, Gramin banks, Kisan credit cards, and insurance accidents insurance scheme, etc.
ठीक है, सृष्टि, your points?
Ma'am, the same.
Eh,
May I tell?
no points to be added.
No, ma'am.
Jay, can you repeat your answer? Jay,
Yes, ma'am. To
can you
ensure
repeat?
increase. Yes, ma'am. To
Little
ensure
louder,
increase-
little louder, little louder.
And what is the page number?
Tell. जय बताओ बेटा.
To ensure increase in agriculture production, the government has prioritized collectivization, cooperation, and abolition of zamindari system. Land reforms was the main focus of first 5-year plans.
ठीक है.
Agricultural reforms were introduced like Green Revolution and White Revolution were aimed at improving Indian agriculture productivity.
ठीक है.
Various technical and institutional reforms were introduced by government like minimum support policy, Kisan credit card, etc.
ठीक है. इसमें आप वो भी बता सकते हो कि एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटीज, वेटनरी सर्विसेज, जो पॉइंट हमने लास्ट वाले आंसर के लिए लिखा था, उसके 2 पॉइंट्स यू कैन कैरी फॉरवर्ड ओवर हियर. ठीक है, सिमिलर पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे वो, राइट?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. यस, गार्गी वाज सेइंग समथिंग.
Ma'am, can you please tell the page number?
बेटा, it is under the heading that agricultural institutional reforms. Wait. From here. हाँ. Technological and institutional reforms. Some
page number?
technical and page number is 42 as per this book.
Okay, ma'am.
See, under the heading of technological and institutional reforms, you can start from here that the initiative taken by the government to ensure the increase in agricultural production were as follows or are as follows. इसमें आप ऐड कर सकते हो. यहां से आप लिखोगे कलेक्टिवाइजेशन, कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ होल्डिंग्स, कोऑपरेशन एंड एबॉलिशन ऑफ जमींदारी वर गिवन प्रायोरिटी to bring about institutional reforms in the country were given priority, full stop. Then to bring about institutional reforms in the country, full stop. Then land reform was the main focus of our first 5-year plan. The right of inheritance had, isko hata do. Then laws of land reforms were enacted by the implementation. So but itna likho, the laws of land reforms were enacted. Then the government of India embarked upon introducing agricultural reforms to improve Indian agriculture in the 1960s and 70s. The Green Revolution, based on the use of package technology, and the White Revolution, Operation Flood, were some of the strategies initiated to improve the lot of Indian agriculture. Then next you can come to this. establishment of Grameen banks, cooperative societies and banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest were all some steps, important steps in this direction. Kisan credit card, personal accident insurance scheme are some other schemes introduced by the government of India, full stop. Then you can write about this, that the government of India made concerted efforts to modernize agriculture, establishment of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, agricultural universities, veterinary services, animal breeding centers, up till improving agriculture. All these points could be added for this answer. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Move on to the.
Ma'am, are both questions almost the same?
It is the same only, but then a few things you have not written in the previous one, that collectivization and consolidation wala thing, right?
Okay, ma'am.
May I take the next answer?
Yes. Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice.
Globalization one.
बेटा ये वाला टॉपिक आपको है ही नहीं उसमें इवैल्यूएशन में, इसको हटा दो, ठीक है? Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice. Yes, Naina.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, page number 36, rice. Rice is the staple food crop of the majority of people in India. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature, above 25 degrees Celsius, and high humidity, with annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. In the area of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation.
ठीक है.
This is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and deltaic regions.
Beta, they are talking about the geographical conditions. Here you will not tell about the regions where it is produced, okay? Only the geographical condition, the type of soil, the temperature part, the rainfall part, right? Fine. Naina, you are not audible.
May I tell?
बताओ पुनीत, बताओ बेटा.
I mean, the temperature, we can say that it is a kharif crop which requires high temperature and high humidity. The mean monthly air temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius and or above, with minor variations during the harvesting growing season. And in the rainfall part, we can say that rice needs abundant rainfall, for example, more than 100 centimeter. It can grow in areas wide less rainfall, but with assured irrigation. Rice is grown in Punjab and Haryana with the help of irrigation.
ठीक है.
And I mean, the soil part, we can say that rice can grow in a variety of soils, including loams and gravels, but it is grown best in alluvial soil with a subsoil of impervious clay.
Yes. Yes. Done?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ जी
ma'am.
बेटा, बोलो बच्चे.
There is one more question in our book.
That globalization wala question.
No, ma'am, another one.
What is the question?
And the question is, how did the partition of the country in 1947 affect the jute industry?
बेटा ये हटा दो, ये हट गया, ये बहुत टाइम पहले ही हट गया था चैप्टर में से. ये आपकी
Ma'am,
बुक.
we don't have question in our book.
हाँ, this
Yes,
is
ma'am. In the new edition, it is not.
in the new editions, this question is not given. Leave it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलो. Coming to this jigsaw puzzle. 2 staple food crops of India.
Rice and wheat.
Rice and wheat.
Rice and wheat.
Summer. This is the summer cropping season of India. Kharif.
Kharif.
Very good.
Ma'am, kharif.
Kharif.